Hi, this is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me. I'm a certified aging-in-place specialist and a master instructor. Is there such a thing as an insignificant or non-worthwhile home improvement? I think not, particularly when it comes to aging in place. Anything we do in our home, even if it's just a coat of paint, changing out a door, changing a window, adding draperies, anything that we do, it could be much more elaborate, like redoing the bathroom, taking out the tub, putting in an accessible shower, could be something more significant like that, but nothing is really unimportant if it lets us stay in our home longer, if it enables us to have the quality of life we're trying to achieve and to stay in our homes as we age in place. No improvement, regardless of how small, how simple, how inexpensive, should be considered insignificant. Of course, there are larger improvements we can do as well. This is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me. Until next time.